How to turn off any iPhone without touchscreen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to turn off any iPhone without using the touchscreen. And the best part, it won't restart your device. Now let's get started. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to quickly press the volume up button and then you need to go ahead and press volume down button. Now once you have done that, you need to press hold the power button until you see an option that says slide to power off. You need to go ahead and continue pressing volume up and volume down button until your iPhone screen shuts off completely. And if you do that, it will force restart your iPhone. So to keep it fully turned off, here's what you need to do. You need to keep on holding the power button. Also press and hold the volume up button until the screen turns completely black and you will see the Apple logo appear, but keep holding these two buttons. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.